Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a social media QR code. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the QR code generator link I have added down in the description box. You'll see a list of different QR code types that you can create. From here, scroll down to the social media and chat section. Under this, select the social media platform you want to generate a QR code for. I'm going to choose Facebook page or profile. After selecting Facebook, you'll see a field called Facebook URL. Simply open your Facebook profile, page, or group and copy the link. Now paste that link into the Facebook URL field. Next, scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here you can add custom text below the QR code, such as follow us on Facebook or scan to visit our page. You can also customize the QR color and background color to match your brand or personal style. If you'd like to make the QR code more professional, click on Choose Image under Add Logo. You can upload the Facebook logo, your profile picture, your business logo, or any custom image you'd like to display in the center of the QR code. Once you've finished customizing everything, click on the Generate Facebook QR button. The tool will instantly create a live preview of your QR code. You can then choose your preferred file format and select the size that best fits your needs. Finally, click on the Download QR button. That's it. Your social media QR code will be downloaded directly to your device and ready to share on social media posts, and much more. Anyone who scans the QR code will instantly be taken to your Facebook page or profile.